Another day, another story. Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech AI Hub. Today, we're into the fascinating world of edge computing. But hold on, what is edge computing and how does it work? Well, we've got all the answers for you, so stick around. In this era of digital transformation, innovation revolves around one thing: data. And data is the key player here. But with the growing need for faster and more efficient data processing, enter edge computing. It's like the superhero of the tech world, optimizing internet devices and web applications. So why is it so amazing? Edge computing is all about bringing computation and data storage closer to where the data is generated. Think of it as setting up mini data centers right at the source of the data. Whether it's your smart devices, sensors, or even your toaster, edge computing processes data right where it's born. The benefits are fantastic. Reduced latency so you get quicker results. Saving on network costs. Lightning-fast data processing. Immediate decision-making for real-time action. And guess what? Even big players like Netflix use edge computing to enhance their video streaming services, bringing that crisp quality right to your screen. But how does it all work, you ask? Well, edge computing operates by processing data locally on edge devices and then sending only the most crucial data to the cloud. Smart speakers, watches, phones, and even IoT devices are part of this game, making your life more efficient every day. The architecture behind edge computing is pretty cool too. It's a tiered approach with multiple levels of computing nodes, starting from the device level, moving up to the edge server, and even reaching the cloud for further processing and storage. This way, data is filtered and processed locally, reducing the load on the network. Now, let's talk about the big showdown: edge computing versus cloud computing. While cloud computing centralizes data storage in massive data centers, edge computing takes it right to the source of data. Less latency, improved bandwidth efficiency, enhanced reliability, better security, and more control are some of the perks. Edge architecture and key principles. In the dynamic world of data processing, understanding the core principles of edge architecture is paramount. Edge architectures form a strategic hierarchy of computing nodes, each meticulously crafted to serve a specific purpose within the data processing pipeline. Let's delve into the key principles that steer the ship of edge computing. Tiered excellence. Edge computing is characterized by its tiered architecture. It boasts multiple levels of computing nodes, starting from the very heart of your device and ascending to the impressive heights of the edge server or gateway. It can even extend its reach to the cloud, ensuring your data undergoes the most efficient processing and storage journey. Data processing and filtering. At the edge, magic happens. Your data is meticulously filtered and processed right where it's born. Only the most pertinent and vital information embarks on the journey to higher-level nodes or the celestial cloud. The result? A remarkable reduction in data traffic, ensuring your network stays swift and responsive. Decentralized brilliance. Embrace decentralization with open arms. Edge architecture redistributes computing resources across various locations, placing powerful edge servers in close proximity to your devices. This spatial arrangement ensures unparalleled efficiency and responsiveness. Real-time analytics. Edge computing paves the way for real-time analytics. This means instant decision-making and responses are no longer a distant dream but a reality. Imagine applications like autonomous vehicles, manufacturing robots, and healthcare monitoring systems operating at the speed of thought. Autonomy. Edge devices and servers are the epitome of self-reliance. They are designed to function autonomously, ensuring that essential operations carry on seamlessly even when connectivity to the central cloud is disrupted. Limitless scalability. The beauty of edge architectures lies in their scalability. They effortlessly adapt to the changing tides of workloads and the ever-growing number of edge devices. Your organization can evolve without missing a beat. Incorporate these principles into your approach and unlock the full potential of edge computing. Your data deserves nothing less. But like every superhero, edge computing has its challenges. Security can be a concern with the devices spread out across various locations. You'll need robust security measures to safeguard your infrastructure. Managing this distributed network can be complex too, but with the right planning and tools, it's manageable. And don't forget about the need for standardization and interoperability, as different vendors may offer proprietary solutions. We want everything to work together seamlessly, right? So that's the lowdown on edge computing, the superhero of data processing. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech insights. And as always, thanks for tuning in, tech-savvy friends. Thanks for watching.